Welcome back, everybody. I am playing again with another doily. I'm going to make another doily pocket, kind of like I did earlier, but just a little bit different. So it'll give you another idea to play with. So you won't have just one idea. And I'm sure once you do a couple of these, you'll come up with a bunch of ideas on your own also. So here we go again. Here's my little tag. But this time what I want to do is I just want to fold these edges in a little bit. How much is a little bit? Well, 3/4 of an inch. Let's say 3/4 of an inch. That's a little bit in Alabama. So let's go about right there. And see what we're going to have. This time we're going to have a much bigger pocket. Okay, so this side goes in. This side goes in. All I did was glue a doily onto some paper and took fancy edge scissors and cut around it. All right, so these two guys go in and this guy is going up. So I'm going to decide how deep I want my pocket to be. I want it to be pretty deep this time. So again, I'm going to line this up right here on my scoreboard, lining up that edge so that I know this score is straight. And then I'm going to decide that I want to score it right there. Okay, so let's see if we can fold that one up. Oh, yes. This is what we want right here. Okay, now you have a choice. You can fold it up like this and have these on the outside edge, or you can fold them in first and have this on the outside edge, which I think I'll do because that way whatever I put in here doesn't get caught on this tab. So I think I'll do it just like that. So now we're going to take a little bit of glue, any glue, your choice, doesn't matter. And we're going to glue these two flaps down, but as you can see, I've left this very wide. So now I can get this size tag in there all the way up to, let's see, this is about a little over 2 inches, and you could get at least a 3-inch tag in there too if you wanted to. And again, you can glue 3 sides, have another pocket behind it, or glue top, side, and bottom, have a pocket over here. So just however you want to do it, but it's got plenty of room. We can take that last one that we made even, and we could put it inside of there, then put our tag inside of there. Ooh, that's nice. I like it. So anyway, guys, I hope I have inspired you to go out there and get creative and have fun today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.